Cheers. Could be the last. This could be the last supper. One fishing disaster after another. That's the Douglas way.
It is, guys.
Look, the only thing we catch, seaweed. Stupid seaweed.
Enough seriously fishing all the plenty full now, eh?
Jump!
Hi guys, welcome back to Island Adventure Caribbean Style, and my name is Cherian, and we are on this beach here.
Plenty seaweed.
Sorry. I'm trying to hook up my fishing rod here. Check to see if I can catch toadies.
What are you trying to catch, Mommy?
Toadies.
Aren't they poisonous?
I think so. But you don't know how to clean it.
Correct.
So David's gonna see if he can catch a toady. Hurry, come on.
So mommy, what are you going to do?
Catch a toady.
Okay then, try not to get bite by one.
Try not to.
So guys, we got tongs, and this is, I had to go and break it, so this is what we got out of it. I have no clue what is this. That's Daddy all the way over there. All the way over there, trying to catch a toady, but it's not working because, let me just go and show you guys what I found. We have Mom over there trying to get another toady, not a toad, whatever I said.
Guys, it's not working.
The only thing we can catch here is seaweed. And the pain in the back side.
So guys, we came to a new spot here. So we're trying to see if we can get some toadies here.
There's
We're seeing
right there.
fish, so let me see if we're good at it.
Well, we know we're not good.
So guys,
Ariana get her first toady. Jump!
Watch the teeth!
These are real. Look at how.
Watch the teeth!
Pick them up. Hold them. Just don't pick them up there. He'll bite you.
it's like a balloon.
Yeah.
Oh, it's spiky.
Turn around, we see the teeth.
I gotta fix this hook
It's
now.
spiky.
He bust up the hook.
Daddy, someone inside.
Ariana got a monster.
It's spiky. I want to put them down.
Oh, put him down.
Why you close the line for? And you go good there. That's what I was here for.
Oh. Let me see, sure you want to be close to trees and stuff?
Ah, they move. They're not going to be any trees.
No, we can't cross it
Look
out.
at baby fish. Look at baby toady fish.
Darius, we need to get you.
See what you're doing?
Darius, I thought you didn't have no bait. Just a sec. Hold this.
Daddy, come on, have it.
Oh, jeez.
Where's that peaceful then? Look at baby toady. It's so
There he is.
small. Right there. You can barely see it. It's really small.
You want to go on that side and see if we can go get something? Let's walk across the bridge. I'll hold the fishing rod.
Guys, I'm stuck. It's gonna be real slippery. Mommy, you can pull it? Let me see if I can just swim onto there.
You gotta go across with this stick. Like if you're walking, that's what he say.
See how that drop? Look at Toady!
A big one?
No, look right there.
Yeah, see, but that's small.
Hold on.
I like how you go carry GoPro across
You
you.
get him? Here, here.
I'll tell you what your skin.
Put it down, Ari. All I want to do is go over and get the other.
Oh, shh.
Why don't you have a walker like your man tried to get?
Because I don't need it. Catch that on film?
Where you at now? There's something jumping up in the end quite across for everybody.
Way on the other side.
Yeah.
I will try and get myself. Roll the bait. And then do it again. Look, one there and then the next big one there.
Just put it in. You get your bait?
Yeah, the email. Look at me.
Oh, that's the big one you're looking for.
Are you putting up too fast? Let him take it good.
That's the big one. I'm gonna get him now. Boom shakalaka!
I lead him on. I lead him on. That was part of mine and yours.
Any more questions, big boys?
I go in who?
Ew, we pooping.
No, that he win.
It's always a wiener with that guy, isn't it?
We pooping.
Man.
Daddy, that was both of ours because I
Oh
lead him
God,
on.
are you stealing my
I
thunder?
lead him on.
You're stealing my thunder, girl.
I know this because you got one big fish doesn't mean it's all yours, you know. Daddy's the one who take that. That would be mine. I need tiny bit, Daddy. You're gonna need massive chunks and you just tighten it off. Slippers before you step on that again. Yeah.
On your hook.
Darius, come here. I'll give you $5
No.
if you stick your finger in there.
What?
$5.
$100. I would say yes, but like
$100. You stick your finger in there. I'll give you $100, and it'll be $100 US for you to go to the US.
I saw it.
Right in there.
Ah, look, I can do that.
Check out those teeth. Them are
Now
real
keep
chomping teeth, eh?
It's still wrong. You have it upside down.
He really giving birth.
So guys, this is our puffer fish we caught today.
Commonly known as a toady fish. And I find those are big toady fish. Those are very big toady fish.
This here.
Cut right through. They make it look so easy on the internet, eh? Done. Beautiful.
This is the toady fish here. I want to get. So guys, I have in the pot here butter, avocado oil, some garlic, some ginger, and some chili peppers here. And here is my toady fish, better known as puffer fish, which we're going to try. So I put a bit of, you can see a bit of green seasoning, Caribbean green seasoning, a bit of black pepper, a bit of salt. That's it there.
Just wait till it starts to.
So guys, now we're going to put in the toady fish in here. Oopsie.
I wonder if there's less poison in the little ones. I'll eat the little one. I might not die if I eat the little one.
Now we're going to squeeze a bit of lime. One barely had juice. Guys, this is our first time trying this.
So we're very excited.
No, we are not.
Well, I am.
It's finished, so I'm going to place it here.
It's a very meaty little fish. I have to give it that.
Let's go and try.
It don't take long to cook here.
Nope. So guys, this is what it looks like. So let's see how it tastes.
What are you afraid of?
I die.
Die of what? Poison?
Yes. Take a small bite just to be sure, okay? Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Cheers. Could be the last. This could be the last supper. It's actually good.
You feeling anyhow? Like a little tingly.
Yeah, mouth filling up. I out. I'm not trying this here.
No, Ariana.
So try it, sorry.
Harry, come. It's good.
You know what? I just want to take the same one just in case.
Here, baby. Take this nice, juicy, fat, poisonous piece.
Poisonous?
No. Yes. No.
It tastes an alley.
A bit soft.
Good, eh?
Yes, it tastes like steak.
Yay.
Yeah, the way I cook it, it tastes like steak. But I'm not eating anymore. Mom
Why
needs
not?
to come. If I die,
How it tastes indeed.
I like it.
take, Mommy, just
I'd
be
eat more.
careful and just take the same one Daddy take.
I would eat more.
I not.
So guys, this is actually our first time trying this fish. So let's see how it tastes. Guys, think
He's an idiot.
think that called for? So,
Idiot.
so
Did I get you? Ariana got scared. Really, Ariana? Instead of coming to help me to clear my airway, you just film me?
I don't know how to clear airway. Let to know what even is that.
guys,
Your mouth feeling numb?
I would definitely recommend trying this.
Good.
It is awesome. It's very tasty. It might just be one of my favorite fish.
I tell you, it's real good.
So guys,
Mm-hmm.
It's real meaty too.
I'm surprised Darius one was round.
I am going to sit there, enjoy the rest of this nice, lovely pufferfish. That is better known as toady fish, and it's also highly poisonous. But if you do it the right way,
Nice living on the edge, eh?
if you do the right way, it will definitely taste good. And this is living on the edge here for us. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to press that notification button, and every time we post a video, you're gonna get notified. And see you guys on the next one.